You will love the features of this 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Follow your heart's desire in this sleek, bold Corsair. Wrap yourself in the luxury of its premium interior, feel the security of its driver assist safety tech, and enjoy the capability and convenience of this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. SUV versatility meets premium luxury in this striking Corsair. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.